Fix this audio. It's too loud. We need voice isolation. Okay, so that's not pretty good, right? So I'm gonna show you how to fix this probably under 30 seconds. So just select your audio and then here you have voice isolation, right? So inspector, voice isolation, just enable this and you set the right amount and then let's see the difference. Let's hear the difference. Fix this audio. It's too loud. We need voice isolation. Fix this audio. Is too loud. We need voice isolation. Okay, so now, yeah, that's way better. You don't have this noise in the background. You can only hear my voice. So yeah, it's really worth this voice isolation feature. Really helpful feature. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching. I know it's short, but I hope it just showed you where you need to go to get the voice isolation feature. So thanks for watching. If you have some tips, things that you've tried and it works, share your results in the comment section if you use voice isolation and if it fixed your problem. Thanks for watching.